Away from education matters, President William Ruto is under fire from human rights organizations who have termed his statement on the release of abducted persons as false and insensitive.
The groups say families are still grieving loved ones who disappeared or died under unclear circumstances.
Vocal Africa claims 5 Kenyans are still missing and is demanding immediate government accountability.
Grace Nganga with that report.
All the people who disappeared or who are abducted in what you said, all of them have been brought back to their families.
It is this recent statement by President William Ruto that has sparked public outrage, with many questioning the accuracy of his remarks concerning Kenyans who remain missing.
We have documented with other organizations at least 89 enforced disappearances. Roughly about 20 of those cases are still open, in the sense that we do not know, their parents do not know, their families have no idea where these young people have gone to. That these unlawful units must be closed down, dismantled, and the officers responsible for the abductions and indeed the deaths of 65 Kenyans last year, that they need to be brought to book.
According to human rights group Vocal Africa, the government is yet to account for 5 people who disappeared between June and December last year. The 5, Emmanuel Mukuria, vanished in Githurai. Dennis Shege and Peter Masharia were abducted within Nairobi CBD, while Martin Mbisi and Kalani Mwema were last seen in Mlolongo. In a statement, Hussein Khalid of Vocal Africa noted that families of the missing persons are ready to meet the president in pursuit of justice. Former Chief Justice David Maraga also weighed in, terming the president's remarks insensitive, particularly to parents still in mourning and those that their children are still missing. In August last year, President Ruto denied knowledge of any abductions in the country.
The president's commitment on this issue has changed over the last number of months. It started with a denial, and then he accepted that this was happening. He said he would bring it to an end. But as Amnesty International, we are saying that the president will make good on the promise of accountability.
However, his recent acknowledgement of the issue made in the presence of Finland's president has raised doubt over the consistency and sincerity of his stance. And for the families still searching for answers, the pain lingers, and so does the search for their loved ones. Grace Nganga, KTN.
Moving on, illicit alcohol in the country